Hey everyone, I'm at my brother's house and this is my most recent install. Some of you may remember this Casablanca Delta II from 1994. I don't remember the date of it. This replaced the noisy Moss Highline Hugger that made a bad noise, but the fan will never deviate from this speed, this Casablanca. There's the tag right there. And there's the infamous Moss. It's a little tricky to take down. We'll save the globes, put it in that box. Excuse me. There's the Palm Air again, running as gracefully as ever. Let's go down the hallway. And here is the Hunter Mayfair. It's complete with a globe and oops. Get that out of the way there. Sorry. Yep. There's the Hunter emblem on it. Running just as it should. I don't think the Casablanca will be having speeds changed from it. But anyway, I'll have 2 more fans put up. So this concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.